People hate to be sold to eh. This is my
What do you
number
mean?
one rule.
Entertainment only.
Entertainment only. Huwag kang magbebenta. People hate to be sold to eh. But they love
Right.
buying.
And that's really hard to do.
Ang entertainment na ginawa ko doon is parang, kunyari may cellphone, kalokohan lang.
Paano mo
Magkano yan?
mabibenta siya?
Yung
Yung
people
good vibe, yung good feeling.
Yes, yung good vibe, people started to recognize my face.
Okay.
And started to recognize the shop that I'm selling, where I'm selling.
Okay.
Without you shoving it down their throat na andito
Right.
ako, LA,
Right.
hindi yung after ng video, guys, visit us, andito kami sa Robinsons, I'll see you there. Kaya na agad ng tao yun, swipe up na agad yun.
Okay.
Nibentaan na ako na to. Pero, pahapyaw ka, that's what I call awareness eh. Now, if I was wearing an MNLA, I wouldn't say, guys, MNLA, bili kayo. Pero pag lagi ko nang suot, behind the scene, people are very observant eh. Yun yung nakita ko sa tao, lalo na sa mga Pinoy.
Correct.
Very observant. Minsan nga naglalakad ako, tapos etong whoop lang, nasa ano ko. Ito yung pinansin. Ang dami ko sinabi sa video, pero dito sila nakatingin. Hindi ko naman pinopromote. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na tignan nyo to.